Tutorial 10. Wetting or editing attribute data of a new geometry to imported Amrut file. In this tutorial, we will learn how to wet or add attribute data of a new geometry to the imported geospatial layers of the Amrut file in the mobile application. Let's see the steps to be followed. After adding the new feature, to edit the attributes, tap and hold the newly added geometry within the geofence. A pop-up will appear to choose between Edit Geometry or Edit Attributes. Choose Edit Attributes to edit or wet attribute data. A page to select a feature will be displayed. Select a suitable feature and click on Proceed. A multi-stage input form will appear. Fill out the form and click on Save button at the end of the form. Post saving the attributes, the geometry will appear in green. Repeat the same process for all the features in your grid to finish the process of attribute wetting. Thank you.